friends, you are here with Vandana and Gupta at our studio, and as I promised, we are having a pop-up show on 21st, 22nd and 23rd July. So let's see what we have here in store for you.
They have a great deal of wedding giveaways and puja accessories.
So see you all for 21st, 22nd and 23rd. So hi friends, here we have our jewelry designer Riya with us. So yeah, Riya, can you show me some of your collections so our audience can see what you have got for them?
So we keep Swarovski collections. Just
Oh
see.
wow. So they'll give a look of Swarovski is looking just like diamond real jewelry. Look very nice.
It is Swarovski and it is rhodium polished.
And what is the price for this, Riya?
So this is 3.5K, 3,500.
Wow. So lovely bracelet to gift your bhabhi this Rakhi, to wear it for yourself. You can come here and take it from Riya, and other than that you can see a lot of other collection that she has got for gifting for your own personal use. You can pick this beautiful stunning pieces of jewelry.
So we keep anti-tarnish jewelries as well.
Okay.
So our bracelet starts from 800
Mm-hmm.
and it goes up to 1200, 1300. And we have Kundan jewelries.
Oh wow. So I am a great fan of these kind of long earrings which really look very nice. See.
It is
So
actually looking very pretty on the outfit as
on
well,
this
so
outfit. So yes, under one roof, as I promised you, this time you can do your entire shopping under one roof. You can take our designer wear along with designer jewelries. Gifting ke liye you can
We
take.
also have sale going on. So the brass bands are Piccani for 500. These are Piccani for 400.
Oh wow. So just rush in and grab this collection which are here with our studio for 3 days only. So you can join us for our pop-up show 21st, 22nd, 23rd of July and get this collection in your new एडिशन. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कायरा का भी कलेक्शन हम लोगों ने लगाया है, और कायरा इज इनटू प्लेटर्स. तो यहाँ पे आप ट्रेज देख सकते हो इस फेस्टिव सीजन में गिफ्टिंग के लिए. इस टाइप की ब्यूटीफुल ट्रेज आपके खुद के घर के लिए आप ले सकते हो. ऐसी खूबसूरत ट्रेज का 3 का सेट है यहाँ पे. एंड देन वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टैंड्स फॉर योर डाइनिंग टेबल्स. ये tissue papers ke liye you can see these boxes for the tissue papers, these kind of beautiful platters to serve your starters along with your dips, and lot many other things to grab from Kaira collection. So what you have to do again and again, I remind you, do visit Vandana and Gupta on 21st, 22nd, 23rd July for our pop-up show. We have this designer sari with a cape and a very beautiful Sindhara and Sawan color which we have done in this sari. So you can dress up this sari without this cape or with this cape, and sari is my favorite. And then again, this is again a designer drape sari which we have done along with a blouse and a cape and a smart drape. You can wear it without a drape and with a drape also. You can see this kurti which we have done in tissue along with a tissue skirt. It comes along with a dupatta also. And again, this is a very beautiful dress that we did for this Sindhara gifting to you, bau, or अपने wedding collection में add on करना हो तो you can come along with this design also, which we can do in any size, any color. As you all know, we do customize everything. So to place orders, you all know what to do. Follow us on our Insta handle and place your orders, or do visit our studio and grab our latest collections. Not only for your wedding, but we have something for every day. So you can wear these poplin collection that we have done. So you can wear them for your meetings, for your coffee dates, for your dinner parties, for any casual outings. You can grab this collection which we have done this time for you all, and we have varieties in this. So you can come and take them and pick them, and they are very price friendly also, which we start from 2800 onwards. So आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने बहुत हैवी हैंडवर्क की कुर्तीज बनाई, जिसके साथ आप शरारा, धोती, पैंट्स कुछ भी टीम कर सकते हो. ये आप वेडिंग के लिए एप्ट कलेक्शन है विच यू कैन टेक फॉर दिस वेडिंग, दिवाली, अपकमिंग वेडिंग सीजन और करवा चौथ. सो एनी इवेंट, these dresses are going to define your events. And glamorous kurtis we have done in handwork. and according to size and color we always do customize. So yes, do drop into Vandana and Gupta for 21st, 22nd, 23rd July, and see you all. Thank you. So after doing your shopping, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो we have Meghna Singhania with us, a very young bubbly girl who started this venture of hers into baking and savories. Last 5 years से कर रही हूँ ना मेघना ये वाला. And मैं एक exhibition में मिली थी मेघना से and I tried lot of her dessert and these items which she makes, and they were beautiful, delicious savories and desserts. So you can place order for your Rakhi platter this time to gift your bhaiya and bhabhi. And other than that, you can come here and have a taste of our amazing desserts and savories this time. Meghna, you want to share something?
We have a wide range of Rakhi hampers available for pre-orders, and savory mein we have Korean buns, which is our best selling, and cheesecake also.
So मेघना, जैसे ये क्या प्राइस के हैं, ये थोड़ा सा एक आइडिया दोगे हमारे
This is
व्यूअर्स को?
150 per piece,
Okay.
and Korean bun is for 70 per piece. We have brownies, Nutella brownies also a bestseller, which is for 70 rupees per piece.
And they are very delicious, that I can assure you, because I really had a taste of it. I'm a little diet person, but still I couldn't resist, and I really had so much from her bakery. So to grab and to place order, you know where you have to come, and to check other details you can see our Insta handle, which is Vandana Gupta Designer, and it is covered by our news channel Hamara Media. And thank you so much. See you.